How to use Dropbox HelloSign feature. To use the Dropbox's HelloSign feature, first of all, you have to log into your account on Dropbox web portal on your desktop. Now, once you log in, look at the main left navigation panel, then click on the Signatures option. Click the blue Get Started or Who Needs to Sign button, then select Me and Others if you also need to sign, or just Others if you are only sending it out. Want to do this? Choose a file directly from your existing Dropbox cloud storage folders. Now you simply have to add the recipient's info, then open the editor by clicking Next to load the document's preview. Now drag and drop the fields by using the toolbar on the left side to click and place necessary fields on your document. Once you do this, you simply have to now lastly assign the roles, and you can send and track the request by tapping on the Review and Send option. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.